How to add payment methods to your GoHighLevel website. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. It is very easy and simple to do so. Let's just go in and get to it. But first, if you want to get a 30-day free trial for GoHighLevel instead of the default 14 and also some more bonuses, you can just click on the description down below and follow along the video. So let's just go and get back to the video. So the first thing that you will need to do is log into your GoHighLevel and sign in to your sub account that you want to be using in this case, where you have your site and everything. So once you're in here, you just want to navigate to the left panel and click on the Payments tab here. Now on the Payments tab at the top, you should find plenty of different options, and the one at the right most, it says Integrations. This is the one that you will need to click on. And right away, you're just going to find plenty of different providers that you can use and basically connect to your GoHighLevel account. And this is basically how to accept with payment methods, specific ones for your GoHighLevel. So which one that you want to actually enable or connect really just depends on your location and situation, because it really just depends on the rates that you want to be using and so on. So, basically, usually you would want to go for Stripe for the, defaults. Basically, you could say payment methods like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and, just cards, Visa, credit cards, or debit cards, and so on. You could just go and use Stripes for that. Or you can even connect some other, online wallets like PayPal and so on. There's a lot more. You can even set up some manual payment methods like cash on delivery by selecting this manual payment method option. And if you don't find what you want in here, you can click on search for more at the bottom and click on the search, and you can search up specific ones, or just scroll down and see which one is actually suitable for you and your location. But there's plenty to choose from, as you can see. So pick whichever one is going to work for you and click on install if it's not installed yet. And if it is, just click on connect and basically follow these steps, because each one is going to have its own individual steps for connection. So with that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.